This channel was monetized in 30 days. This channel too was also monetized in 30 days. This channel was monetized in 30 days. This channel was also monetized in 30 days. My own channel, Ben Did It, was also monetized in 30 days. Now, I'm going to show you how you can monetize your YouTube channel in a period of 30 days using this new strategy. With this strategy, you can actually trick the YouTube algorithm to recommend your videos to the right audience that need to watch your videos. And by doing this, you're going to get views, you're going to get subscribers, you're going to get watch hours, and you're going to monetize in a period of 30 days. 30 days or less, you'll be monetized. Now, after watching this video, I want you to actually practice everything that I'm going to tell you in a period of 30 days. Come back and tell us the results. But I promise you 100% you're going to monetize your YouTube channel without any excuses once you do what I'm going to show you in this particular video. Hey creators, welcome back for another video. If this is your first time to be here, you're most welcome. My name is Ben, and on this channel I create videos about tools, tips and strategies on how to grow on YouTube. So make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications so that every time I upload, you get notified. All right, let's get started. Now, I'm going to show you 3 important things that you have to put in action. 3 important things that you have to do with this new strategy that you're going to use to actually monetize your channel in a month. The first thing that you have to do, it is to make sure that you have a specific niche that you make videos about. Don't make videos about every topic. Don't make videos about football today and then tomorrow you're making videos about fishing. The other day you're making videos about cooking. No, don't mix content. The reason why you're doing this, you're actually getting a specific niche to explain the algorithm that this is my niche. Okay, since your YouTube channel is new, the algorithm doesn't have enough information for your channel, and sometimes when you create videos about different niches, it gives the algorithm hard time to know which kind of audience it has to recommend your videos to. So what you're going to do right now is to first find out the kind of content that you're creating. It doesn't matter which kind of content you create, but make sure you create one kind of a content, okay? If it is football, let it be football. If it is cooking, let it be cooking. If they are vlogs, let them be vlogs. So don't mix content. And the reason why we are doing this, we are making it easy for the algorithm to be explained, for the algorithm to analyze our content and know the right audience to recommend our content to. That is the first thing you need to do. The second thing you have to do, you have to make sure that your YouTube channel is verified. You have to make sure that your YouTube channel is well optimized. You have to make sure that you have set up your YouTube channel in the right way, reflecting with your niche. What I'm meaning here is that if you make videos about cooking, make sure that you have optimized your YouTube channel for a cooking topic, okay? So if you don't know how to optimize your YouTube channel, if you don't know how to set up your YouTube channel, I'm going to actually leave an end screen at the end of this video. Go watch that video and set up your YouTube channel alongside that video. I explain everything on how you can set up, what you have to do, and everything in that video. I'm going to leave an end screen at the end of this video. So set up your channel alongside that video, and after setting it up, optimize it, verify it. I explain everything. You're going to see everything. Now, after verifying your YouTube channel, setting up your YouTube channel, and optimizing your YouTube channel, we go to the third thing that you have to do. Now, the third thing, it is the strategy. It is self. Now, there is a channel called Daft Dash on YouTube, and this channel is actually represented by a lady. Now, for me to know this strategy, I found it on this woman's channel, and she was talking about how she got monetized and everything. She shared everything that helped her to actually get monetized. And by the time I was watching that video, my channel was not monetized. So I actually tried out the strategy that she was actually talking about, and that strategy worked for me. And it has not only worked for me, it has worked for a lot of people. It has worked for a lot of YouTubers. And what she was talking about is a challenge of uploading videos every single day for 30 days. And guys, this is magical. It is very magical. It tricks the algorithm. It actually lets the algorithm recommend your videos every single time you upload. The YouTube algorithm was updated, and the YouTube algorithm is always focusing at hard work. Now, for this lady, she just creates videos about her lifestyle, how she works, how she spends her days. And people always want to know reality. People want to see what is actually happening in people's lives. And this is how she got views, she got subscribers, and she was able to monetize in a period of 30 days. And I also did the same thing. I began uploading videos every single day, and at the end of time, I gained subscribers. Though I used other methods, but I have other people that monetize with this same trick without using anything, without using any strategy, and they monetize. Now, for example, this channel right here. This guy monetized his channel in 30 days after uploading videos every single day. And right now, he's monetized, he's getting views, he has an audience just because he was uploading videos every single day. Now, if you're a person that says you cannot upload videos every single day, I'm going to give you an advice. We eat every single day, we cook every single day, we study every single day, we do something every single day. Now, you're going to begin with what you do every single day, okay? So, for example, if you're a mom at home, show people how you cook food for your kids, how you prepare your foods, and how you do things at home in your daily life. And by doing this, you're going to get the right audience. The YouTube algorithm is actually going to look for the right people that want to watch this kind of content. If you're an upcoming artist, show people how you write your music, how you record your music, how you do it every single day towards chasing the goal of becoming a successful musician. If you're a dad, show people how you look for money to take care of your family. Show them, tell them the stories, and show them how you actually live your real life. And people out there, the audience is out there that is interested in this kind of content. If you're a student at campus, show people how your campus is actually running, how you study, how you take classes, and everything about your studies. People are out there that want to watch the kind of lifestyle you're living. People are out there that want to know what is happening in your real life. Though AI is here, not everyone that is interested in this AI kind of stuff. People always want to know reality. So begin with your real life. Show them what you're doing in your real life. And you cannot fail to get something to record about your real life every single day. So begin with that, and you're going to get videos to upload on YouTube every single day. And in 30 days, you will be able to monetize your YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Watch this playlist if you've not set up your channel. So set up your channel, optimize it so that YouTube can recommend your videos to the right audience that will watch your videos and get watch hours and subscribers. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.